Bissell is one of the best recognised names in carpet care. The company offers powerful cleaners that easily handle dirt and stains for a thorough, deep clean that leaves your carpets looking like new. The Revolution HydroSteam Professional is an upright cleaner that makes it easy to remove the toughest dirt and stains. This Bissell cleaner provides 3 cleaning modes to suit your needs. Steam pre-treat mode helps to loosen tough stuck-on and sticky messes. Steam Wash Max Clean mode produces thorough cleaning results with strong cleaning power. For fast results, Quick Dry mode allows carpets to dry in about 30 minutes after cleaning. Bissell upright carpet cleaners come with handy tools for every situation from upholstery to crevices, as well as a potent dual roller floor head that makes it easy to remove embedded stains and dirt. This model also includes a long hose that makes for easy hand tool usage without lugging around the machine. The generous 3.7 litre capacity means you can do large areas with fewer interruptions to refill on water and cleaning solution. Bissell HydroSteam Technology is a unique system that combines water, steam and cleaning solution to produce incredible results on carpets and rugs. The cleaning modes are customised to give you maximum cleaning power. Steam function is normally only available on specialised commercial cleaners, but with the introduction of HydroSteam, steam cleaning power is now available for everyone. Overall, this carpet cleaner provides excellent performance and functionality to handle most mess, stain or dirt with ease. The Bissell Revolution HydroSteam Professional provides impressive cleaning power and handy tools for all your deep clean needs. If you're looking for one of the most advanced carpet care machines around, look no further.